Understanding Windchop, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to delve into a phrase that might be a bit confusing for English language learners. Windchop. You might have come across this term while reading about weather, sea conditions, or perhaps in a conversation. Today, we will break it down, so you can understand it and use it confidently in your English conversations. So, let's get started. Windchop is a compound noun, where two words come together to create a specific meaning. Let's look at each word individually. Wind. The first word, wind, refers to the natural movement of air, particularly in an outdoor environment. Wind can range from a gentle breeze to a powerful gust. Chop. The second word, chop, in this context, refers to the small, sharp, and quick movements of a surface, particularly water. When water is choppy, it is rough and has small waves. When we combine these two words, wind and chop, we are referring to the small, rough waves that are created on the surface of the water due to the wind. Windchop is a term most commonly used in the context of boating, surfing, or meteorology. Here are a couple of examples to help you understand how to use this term in sentences. 1. The windchop made it difficult for the small boat to navigate through the water. 2. Surfers prefer to avoid days with a lot of windchop, as it makes the water surface rough and difficult to surf on. In both examples, windchop is used to describe the condition of the water surface being affected by the wind. Imagine you're standing at the edge of a lake. On a calm day, the surface of the water might be smooth, almost like glass. Now, imagine the wind starts to pick up. As the wind blows across the surface of the water, it starts to create small, rough waves. This is windchop. And that's it for today's video on windchop. We hope this explanation has helped clarify what this term means and how you can use it in your English conversations, especially when talking about water conditions. Remember, practice makes perfect. So try using windchop in your sentences today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more English language learning content. See you in the next video.